Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to cook some bitter melons. It's a very healthy food. Let me show you in this picture. As you can see, it is cholesterol free, fat free, low sodium and low calorie. Alright, let's go to the garden and cut some bitter melons. Cut this one, shall we? Yes, cut this one. Alright. We have another one here. Yes, if it's between 25-30 centimeter, it's a good one. It's ready. Wow, 3 beautiful ones. And the last one. Here you go. 4 bitter melon ready to be cooked. Yum yum. Alright. We're gonna need some green onion here. Back to the kitchen. Let's wash them properly. Okay, so for the cooking part, we need to soak 10 grams of dry fungus in warm water for 10 minutes. During that time, you can chop 1 shallot and 1 garlic clove. Once done, cut all the bitter melons in half, then use a spoon to remove the inside. Be careful not to pierce through it. Alright, we're done. Next, we're going to take the dry fungus and chop them in small pieces. In a bowl, add 400 grams of minced pork. Then add the minced garlic and shallot. Then the chopped fungus. Now add half tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, also 1 teaspoon of sugar. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it well. The next step is to stuff the meat into the bitter melon. Don't worry about the leftover, we're going to use them later. Once done, boil 2 liters of chicken broth. Then add the bitter melons. If you have some leftover meat, make small balls and add them to the pot. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Finally, cook for about 20 more minutes. Once done, take them out and cut them in slices. And voila! So tasty! Bon appétit!